Hello everyone, welcome to SK Defense TV. Today I am going to show now United Kingdom versus Turkey military power comparison 2021. So let's get started. President Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom and Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the President of Turkey. Capital London is the capital of United Kingdom and Ankara is the capital of Turkey. Land area 242,495 square kilometer total area of United Kingdom and 783,356 square kilometer total area of Turkey. Global rank 8 global rank of United Kingdom and 11 global rank of Turkey. Population United Kingdom 65 million and Turkey 82 million. Total military United Kingdom 275,000 and Turkey 735,000. Active personnel United Kingdom 195,000 and Turkey 355,000. Reserve personnel United Kingdom 80,000 and Turkey 380,000. Paramilitary United Kingdom has no paramilitary and Turkey 160,000. Special Forces United Kingdom 4,600 and Turkey 5,600. Nuclear weapons United Kingdom 200 and Turkey has no nuclear weapons. Main battle tank United Kingdom 109 and Turkey 3045. Infantry fighting vehicles United Kingdom has no infantry fighting vehicles and Turkey 2800. Armored personnel carrier United Kingdom has no armored personnel carrier and Turkey 4750. Armed fighting vehicles United Kingdom 5500 and Turkey 11,630. Artillery United Kingdom 250 and Turkey 2,550. Self-propelled artillery United Kingdom 89 and Turkey 943. Field artillery United Kingdom 126 and Turkey 1,200. Rocket artillery United Kingdom 35 and Turkey 407. Ground-based ballistic missile United Kingdom has no ground-based ballistic missile and Turkey 1. Total aircraft United Kingdom 738 and Turkey 1056. Fighter aircraft United Kingdom 119 and Turkey 206. Attack aircraft United Kingdom 15 and Turkey has no attack aircraft. Strike United Kingdom and Turkey have no strike. Multi-role aircraft United Kingdom 148 and Turkey 250. Bomber United Kingdom and Turkey have no bomber. Tanker fleet United Kingdom 9 and Turkey 7. Transport aircraft United Kingdom 45 and Turkey 80. Total helicopters United Kingdom 269 and Turkey 471. Attack helicopters United Kingdom 38 and Turkey 104. Trainer aircraft United Kingdom 244 and Turkey 273. Anti-aircraft missile system United Kingdom 1 and Turkey 5. Serviceable airports United Kingdom 460 and Turkey 98. Total naval assets United Kingdom 88 and Turkey 149. Supercarrier United Kingdom and Turkey have no supercarrier. Aircraft carrier United Kingdom 2 and Turkey has no aircraft carrier. Helicopter carriers United Kingdom and Turkey have no helicopter carriers. Frigates United Kingdom 13 and Turkey 16. Destroyers. United Kingdom 6 and Turkey has no destroyers. Corvettes. United Kingdom has no corvettes and Turkey 10. Patrol craft. United Kingdom 25 and Turkey 35. Mine warfare craft. United Kingdom 13 and Turkey 11. Submarines. United Kingdom 11 and Turkey 12. Ballistic missile submarines. United Kingdom 4 and Turkey has no ballistic missile submarines. Nuclear attack submarines. United Kingdom and Turkey have no nuclear attack submarines. Attack submarines. United Kingdom 6 and Turkey 12. Defense budget. United Kingdom 56 billion USD and Turkey 17.3 billion USD. Nominal GDP. Turkey 2.6 trillion and Turkey 649 billion USD. Purchasing power parity. United Kingdom 2.9 trillion USD and Turkey 2.3 trillion USD. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.